Hey guys, what's up? So I thought I would hop on here really quick and show you like an easy everyday, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Molly Summers. If you're new here, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, and let me know what you want to see down below. Alright, so I thought I would hop on here and do an everyday glam look with the Tati palette, or an everyday, not necessarily an everyday look, but like an easy glam look. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go in with the matte aura, and we're just going to put that all over our eyes. This is a very base color. It doesn't show up on my skin tone. I've actually talked to other people who have slightly darker skin tones, and it doesn't show up very well in their skin tones either. So it's just like kind of a good, you can even use it as like a setting powder almost. On top of your lids. So I'm going to start out with that color, and then next I'm going to go in with Soothe. I'm going to tap Soothe on just a big fluffy brush. The Smith 232 is what I'm using. And I'm going to blend that all over the crease. These blend really, really well. So they blend out in like almost no time. Really, really great, I think. Blend that out, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm just bringing that up really not too high, because I'm going to actually put a brow highlight on my bone today. Deepen it up just a little bit and go back in one more time. These blend out super well, so honestly it doesn't take too long to actually sit there and do much blending. I'm going to go in with this Ritual, this deep brown. I'm going to tap that all over a Morphe 433, and I'm going to go in the corners of my eyes. I'm dragging it out ever so slightly and rubbing it in the crease. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. I want that color built up in the crease really, really good. Gonna blend that. I'm gonna actually go back into Soothe and blend over top one more time. And then just go back in with that same brush and not adding anything to the 433, the Morphe 433. Going to bring this underneath my eyes with the fluffy brush that's Soothe color. You can be kind of messy with it if you want a really blown out look. And then I'm going to go back into Ritual, kind of darken up the corners ever so slightly. And then I'm actually going to go underneath my eyes with it. And just kind of bringing that out right here along the corners. So I'm going to take a Smith 230, and I'm going to go in with that matte black color. And I'm going to put that in the corners of my eyes. I actually think I'm going to mix the matte black and the sequins, so I can have a little bit of sparkle with the corners of my eyes. And blending it out, I'm going to actually go back in with that Smith brush and take the brown, kind of blend over top of it. I'm rubbing the brown, the excess on the brush, kind of over on the lid ever so slightly. And then I'm actually going to take my finger and I'm going to go in with the Aurora. I'm going to go in with the metallic shade. Well, maybe I'm going to go in the Ritual shade first and rub that all over my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with the Ritual and start that in the corner of my eyes. That Ritual is such a good color. I'm actually going to take a brush, I think, a flat brush, and go back in with the Ritual kind of on the middle of my lid, and then taking that Aura, and these are both the metallic colors, and just going into the corners of my lid. Slightly flatter brush and just wetting it, and go back in with the Aura. Just to give it a little bit more vibrancy. And then from there, I'm literally going to put mascara on. I'm going to use my Lash Paradise mascara.
Then I'm going to take my Sugar and Spice and just outline my lips.
A little bit of blush. I'm just taking Fearless and Sexy in this Morphe palette, and I'm going to buff it all over my cheeks. And then I'm going to take Precious Petals in Wet n Wild, which is one of my favorite drugstore highlighters. It's definitely my favorite color in it. And I'm going to take the Sigma highlighting brush, and we're just going to highlight. There we go. And I'm going to take my primer water, and this is my favorite part. I'm going to take a fan it out really quickly. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. This is definitely a great, easy way to achieve a glam look. I didn't use any fake lashes. I used mascara, and I don't have any eyeliner on, and this is how it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love this look. This is definitely a look I do a lot. So, and it was very easy to blend, very easy to create with this palette. So I definitely love it. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I love you guys. Bye.